Have you checked your life insurance since moving abroad? Now, if you've moved overseas and you are reviewing your life insurance, you may be in for a little surprise, and here's why.
What's all this?
Now, back in 2019, the government brought in protecting your super legislation. So what that meant is if you own your insurance policy within your super fund, the super fund's required to cancel your insurance policy if you do not meet these two requirements. One of them is your superannuation balance needs to be above $6,000. And the other one is you need to be contributing to your super fund at least every 16 months. And some super funds have made it even stricter, every 12 months. And the way in which you can keep your cover is if you opt into the insurance. Now, if you've moved overseas and you're living abroad, you may not be getting your letters from your super fund informing you that they may be cancelling it. So it's very important to go in and log in to your super fund to see if you have any insurance in place, because the super fund may have cancelled it. Now, the other things to think about, insurance policies may actually have exclusions where they won't pay out if you're living abroad. Now, most covers do have worldwide cover. So under most life insurance policies in Australia, it will pay out worldwide, even if you're traveling. But there may be some exclusions or limitations if you are living abroad. So it's super important to have a look at your insurance policies to make sure that it will cover you. And the third thing to think about is if you need to make a claim, some insurance policies will have a requirement that you need to be back in Australia and assessed by Australian doctors to make a claim on your insurance policies. And so they're all the things that you just need to factor in and think about while you're living overseas. Now, this isn't the case for all insurance policies, so it's really important that you do reach out to a financial advisor to review your covers and to make a recommendation whether you need to adjust it or change it. So it is really important that you get your insurance in place, because life insurance is all about protecting the downside risk. If you're living abroad and you're doing it for experiences or to earn more money than you can in Australia, it's really important that, yes, you're doing it to increase your wealth and you're doing it for your family or yourself to increase your financial security. You want to make sure you're protecting the downside. If something was to happen while you're overseas, you do have insurance in place to protect you.